In this video, I'm going to give you guys a full in-depth guide on cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you step by step how to invest into crypto in 2021 as a complete beginner. I'm also going to go over the insane opportunities that cryptocurrency offers and how you can buy coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, Cardano, and some of those main cryptocurrencies. My goal for you guys is by the end of this video, you guys will have a full understanding of how cryptocurrency works and how you can get started, but more importantly, how you can make money with this opportunity. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Crypto Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you guys build a long-term and sustainable business with cryptocurrency. Guys, there's a ton of channels out there showing you how to get rich quick with cryptocurrency. That's not the point of this channel. I want to teach you the right ways to build a long-term and sustainable investment plan for your cryptocurrency future. Now guys, please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single week. Let's get into it. Now guys, let's start off by answering the question, what is cryptocurrency? Now guys, it's really important to understand exactly what you're investing into. You don't want to be investing into something just because of the hype or because you hear people talking about it. Now at the end of the day, without getting too technical, cryptocurrency is just digital money. Or you could also look at it as a digital asset that you can exchange for goods and services. Now guys, you can also look at cryptocurrency as a store of value, but in the digital form. So think of gold and silver. A lot of people will take their US dollar and put that into gold and silver as a store of value. Now you can think of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as the same thing. It's a store of value, but you can also buy goods and services because it's a digital currency. Now one thing to note is there are literally thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but some of the main ones you want to pay attention to and some of the top cryptocurrencies in the game are, there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Solana, and Ripple. Now these are some of the top cryptocurrencies at the moment, but in the future things could change as cryptocurrency moves very, very quickly. But right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the top cryptocurrencies in the world, and those haven't changed since cryptocurrency and blockchain has been invented. Now, one thing to understand, and this is actually one of the most important things with cryptocurrency, is these coins use something called blockchain technology. Now, this creates a decentralized system that is not regulated by banks or the government. Now, this is why cryptocurrencies are so popular and they're growing very quickly because we don't have to worry about a middleman like a bank. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency in the world and is the king of cryptocurrency. Now guys, Bitcoin started in 2009, and as you can see in this Bitcoin chart, it has grown extremely fast and very quickly. Now as you can see here, in 2013, Bitcoin was trading for around $100 to even $900 for the first few years. Now as you can see, there was a huge spike from 2013 to about 2017 where Bitcoin ran up to $20,000. Now, when I got into the space, I actually got in at around $10,000, so I actually doubled my money. But Bitcoin grew very quickly, and as you can see, it dropped very, very quickly. It went from $20,000 to a low of almost $3,000. Now guys, since this drop in 2017, it's actually recovered very well. It went from $3,000 up to a high of $60,000. And guys, the crazy thing about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is they move very quickly. Unlike the stock market where it can grow, 5 to even 15% a year, with cryptocurrency, we can see gains of up to 300 to even 10,000%, which is absolutely insane. Now guys, to put this into perspective on how Bitcoin has grown insanely fast, there's a story of this guy in Florida who spent 10,000 Bitcoins to buy 2 pizzas from Papa John. Now guys, if you take this 10,000 Bitcoin and multiply it by the price of what Bitcoin costs today, you can see that that 10,000 BTC back in 2010 would now equal $500 million. Now, one thing to note, guys, is cryptocurrencies move very quickly, meaning you can make a ton of money, and cryptocurrencies have made a ton of millionaires But that being said, you can also lose a ton of money because it moves very quickly to the upside, but it can also move very quickly to the downside. Now, when I first got into cryptocurrency, I actually lost money because I bought very high, and I actually lost a lot of money because I sold my money. So one thing to realize, guys, is if you invest into Bitcoin or Cardano or Ripple or any of these cryptocurrencies, you actually don't lose money until you sell that actual asset. For example, if you buy Bitcoin at $50,000 and it drops down to $25,000, then yes, technically you're down 50%, but unless you sell that cryptocurrency, you don't actually lose that money. That's called unrealized gains. Now the goal here is to hold that until it goes back up so you can then sell for a higher price. Now guys, I do want to warn you guys that buying and investing into crypto can be very volatile, which means it moves very quickly. So you got to be careful, and you only want to invest money that you're willing to lose. You don't want to put money that you need to buy groceries, pay your rent, or anything that you need very quickly. Now you have to understand that crypto is in its infancy stage and people are still understanding what this technology can do and the power of it. That being said, it's going to move very quickly up, but it's also going to move very quickly down. So you got to be careful, and you only want to invest money that you're willing to lose. Now, one thing I really like about blockchain and cryptocurrency is you can't duplicate any coins whatsoever. Unlike the US dollar, where people can create counterfeits, or like the government, how they can actually print money and lower the value of the actual dollar itself. Another thing is there is a finite number of coins that can be created. For example, with Bitcoin, only 21 million coins will ever exist. And there's no way that you can duplicate a Bitcoin or create a counterfeit coin. Now, this is the power of the blockchain technology, and this is why people are jumping into cryptocurrencies and starting to understand the power of the blockchain technology and cryptos. Now, one of the main goals with cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Bitcoin is to create a decentralized economy, meaning we wouldn't have to rely on financial institutions, banks, to send money or have that middleman. And this is one of the biggest reasons why people are jumping into cryptocurrencies, because now they have control instead of having to go to a bank where they are the middleman and they control everything. And again, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are fully digital, so you don't have to go to the bank to pull out your money. You can literally send 24/7 worldwide. Now, if the governments keep printing money, that's going to cause inflation, which means the money in your bank account is actually going to be less in the next 5 to 10 years. Unlike cryptocurrency, where there's a finite amount of coins and people are going to put their money into cryptocurrency because that's going to go up, unlike the US dollar, where they can just literally print and print and print more and more money. Now, that being said, now let me show you how we can buy and sell cryptocurrencies step by step. Now, some of the main platforms that you can buy cryptocurrency are CoinBase, Robinhood, Binance, KuCoin, Crypto.com. Now, if you're just starting out with buying cryptocurrency, most people will tend to use CoinBase because that's one of the easiest places to start. It allows you to move money from your bank account to CoinBase and allows you to buy and sell crypto and even move it to another platform or to another person very easily. Now, the cool thing about CoinBase is you can trade both on your phone and your desktop. Now, guys, I do have a link below to get $10 for free when you sign up for CoinBase using my link. And this is at no additional cost to you, but it helps support the channel. So thank you guys very much. Now guys, if you want a full in-depth tutorial on how to sign up for a Coinbase account step by step, I did create a video about that on my channel, so go check that out, guys, so you guys can see exactly how to get started with Coinbase. Now guys, this is inside my Coinbase account. I just want to show you how easy this is to buy and sell crypto. So again, if you want the step by step on how to sign up, I created a video about that. But as you can see here, I can literally go inside of Coinbase and buy and sell very easily, right? So if I wanted to buy Bitcoin, I can literally just click on buy, and it's going to ask, if I want to pay with my bank account, with PayPal, with a debit card, and it makes it really, really easy. Also, if you want to send and receive money to your Bitcoin wallet, that's very easy as well. For example, if I want to send money from Bitcoin to somebody else or to another wallet, it's very, very easy. All I got to do is send here to somebody's Bitcoin address. Now, the next question I get when people ask how to invest into cryptocurrency is, which coins should I actually buy? Now, if you guys go to CoinGecko.com, you could actually see the top 10 coins based on CoinMarketCap. That being said, as you can see, Bitcoin is number 1 with a market cap of $868 billion. Number 2 is Ethereum with a market cap of almost $400 billion. So as you can see, Bitcoin is the dominant coin here, and it has the most money, almost $1 trillion market cap inside of Bitcoin. Number 3 is Cardano, then we have USD Tether, and then Binance Coin, and the list goes on and on. Now, my recommendation to you is if you're looking to invest into cryptocurrency, is start with the coins with the highest market cap, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are typically going to be the safest coins, but again, guys, that's not financial advice, and make sure that you consult with your financial advisor and you invest money you're willing to lose, because cryptocurrency moves very quickly. You can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money very quickly. Now guys, here's some of the coins that I own. I own Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP Ripple, Polygon Matic, and these are just some of the coins that I own. ADA Cardano, Polkadot, and I own a lot more coins than this. I have multiple platforms that I buy coins on other than CoinBase. Now guys, if you want a full understanding of each coin and what it actually solves, then you're going to want to look at the white paper. Let me show you where to find that. So again, if you go to CoinGecko.com, you could actually go coin by coin and see exactly what that coin offers and see if it actually has a utility or solves a real world problem. For example, if you go to Bitcoin right here, and then you go to the website bitcoin.org, which is found in CoinGecko, it's going to take you to the actual website where you can then look at the white paper. And this is where it tells you exactly the utility and the actual use case of the actual coin. And you can find the white paper of every single coin, typically on a website like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Now guys, here's a cryptocurrency that actually solves a real world problem. It's called Axie Infinity, and this is huge in the gaming space. So it actually solves a problem when it comes to gaming. So my advice to you guys, if you're looking to invest into a coin, make sure to look at the white paper and see if it actually solves a problem and see if this coin is worth investing in. Now, one question I get all the time is, when should I buy these coins? Let's just say you find a coin, you want to invest into the coin, you like the project, but when should I actually buy? Now guys, it's hard to actually give you a real good answer on this, but my advice to you is look for a big dip, and if you believe in the project, you believe in the team, and you check out the white paper, then look for a big dip, and that's typically a good entry point. Now, one thing to note guys with cryptocurrency is there can be dips of 40, 50, and even 60 to 70%, which is absolutely insane, meaning it can move very quickly to the downside, but you can also see gains of 200 to even 10,000% on some of these smaller cap coins. So again guys, just make sure you're investing money that you're willing to lose, but if you believe in the project, if you do your research, then make sure you buy on a really strong dip. Now guys, one thing to note is the price of Bitcoin today, as the time of recording this video, is $46,000. Now, the experts are saying that Bitcoin can go to $100,000 to even $200,000 by the end of this year. But that being said, you got to be very careful because Bitcoin can also dip very quickly. So if you're willing to invest into Bitcoin, you also have to be willing to lose that money, because Bitcoin is going to be going up and down very, very quickly. Now, that being said, guys, I have personally invested 6 figures of my personal income into cryptocurrencies. I myself believe in blockchain technology, and I love the idea of being decentralized and having a decentralized financial economy. I myself am a huge believer in cryptocurrency, and I'm in this for the long term, meaning I'm okay if I don't see gains in the next few months, and I'm willing to wait the next 5 to 10 years because I know it's going to take time to adopt this new technology. My advice to you if you're just starting out in cryptocurrency is don't go into FOMO, F-O-M-O, which means fear of missing out. This is where you lose money because you see the price skyrocketing and you buy at the top and then it dips down and then you're down 50, 60, 70%. This is where people lose money because they are trying to catch the FOMO, or the fear of missing out. Now, this is what happened to me when I first started with Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, is I bought when it was going really high, so I got into the FOMO because I thought I was missing out, and I put a lot of money in, but then it went down and I got really nervous and took my money out, so I lost 50%, but then it went back up. So you got to be very careful when you're investing, and only invest money you're willing to lose. So guys, just make sure when you're investing into cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin or Ethereum, not to have emotion, but to have a long-term plan. Now guys, we went over a lot in this video, such as what is cryptocurrency, what is blockchain, how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. the top coins I recommend buying as a complete beginner, and much more. So guys, I hope this video was of value and it gave you a strategy to start investing into cryptocurrency. I believe it's the way of the future. We also have to be careful and only invest money that you're willing to lose. That being said, guys, please subscribe to my channel if you found any value in this. And the purpose of my channel is to help you build a long-term sustainable business and passive income stream with cryptocurrency. Guys, I'm creating videos to help you guys grow your cryptocurrency portfolio without all the hype, without all the moonshots, without all the crazy stuff online. So if you want to follow and learn more, please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys on the next one, and God bless.